Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is delightful mulberry, and it is delightful. We got it from Jan down in Florida, and we're kind of in a constrained space here, but normally we would have, uh, and because we're in this hoop house, it accelerates the growth rate. So I think these would normally be dinner plate sized leaves. They still have the roughness on the surface of them. But because it's rapidly growing, maybe it's fruiting, we don't get the huge leaves that you get elsewhere. But the fruit is fantastic. So let's take a. It's very good. It's very sweet and tart. Perfect sweet-tart ratio. I really like it. In fact, as we explore what good tasting mulberry means this summer, one of my criteria is that I'm willing to share it with others or at the farmer's market. And this totally made the cut. I think even if you've never had a mulberry and you come up to this mulberry expecting a blackberry or a raspberry taste, you'd be pleasantly surprised with the flavor of this. It's very, very sweet. I've been having to mention to people that have not had mulberries before that these do stain, as you can see here, but everybody's been very happy with them. Even those that have had mulberries before, I think some of the flavors of these specific varieties would surprise them. Kip Parker, Lawson Dawson, Delightful. They're all very good. You know, Illinois Everbearing is fantastic, but and that's well known, and it should be because it's really good. But some of the other varieties that also taste great are enjoyable to people. So this is Delightful Mulberry. We are definitely going to try and propagate more of these as part of our orchard here that we harvest for fruit and take to the market.